This is the Simmons 841-N complete head. Now this is the new style head here. So it'll come with that handle, of course the straps, and we can lift that up here. The clevis, or the packing nut as well. And that pivot connector right there as well. And then of course you'll have those internal female threads there so it can attach to the piping. So we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the head. So we'll start with measurements of the handle first. We'll start from the longest part, so right here at the top of the handle, to the end of that curve there. And that will measure right at about 6 1/4 inches. And then total height of the head, measuring from the bottom of this hexed side here to the top of the head. It will measure right at, if I can get it away from the wall, we'll lay it sideways. That'll measure right at 6 inches. I can get it to sit still. And then we can also get an outer and inner diameter here of where it will connect. So the outer diameter, it'll measure right just shy of 2 1/4 inches, and with an inside diameter of right at about an 1.25 inches. Yes, once again, this is the 841 new style head assembly.